Hi, I will show in this video how to hard reset a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold in case the phone is locked or in case you are facing a software issue. So without wasting time, let's go. First thing you need to do is to power off your phone. Next, you will need to push and keep the power button and the volume up button in the same time, like this. And when you see the Samsung logo, just release the power button, but keep holding the volume up button. Keep holding until you enter the recovery mode. If you see a Samsung logo like this, it means that it is not working. That's because I forgot something very important. In fact, you need to connect your phone to the computer with an USB cable so you can enter the recovery mode. So let's do it again. So the first step, power off your phone. Next, the very important step, connect your phone to the computer. Just wait a moment until it shows the charger level. One more important thing is that the cable you are using needs to support the data transfer, otherwise it will not work. Okay, now you need to push and keep the power button and the volume up button in the same time. Keep holding. And when you see the Samsung logo, just release the power button, but keep holding the volume up button. Keep holding, and perfect. As you can see, now we are in the recovery mode. Now you just need to go and select Wipe Data Factory Reset, select with the power button, and confirm a second time with the power button. Good, so the phone is resetting now and it's done. Now you just need to reboot the system by clicking the first option, reboot system now. It will take some time to the phone to restart and this is completely normal. So I will speed up the video and see you in the end of the process. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps me a lot. So thank you. So okay, at the end of the process you should have a completely reset phone like on the screen. Just need to complete the setup and it will work fine. Otherwise, if your phone is FRP logged, here are 2 videos showing how to FRP bypass a Samsung Galaxy phone. Thank you and see you in the next one.